Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to the healthier side of things. Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, you see fresh berries? Yeah, your girl is gonna make some Irish Marsh berry smoothie with some almond coconut milk. Alright, let's get into it. So I'm using blackberry, strawberry, and blueberries. Okay. So we're just gonna dump everything here. These are frozen, some of them. These are not blackberries and some blueberries. And I'm gonna use half of banana. And I'm gonna add some ginger. You can use the fresh one. I love the taste of the ginger in it. And I have half can of sea moss or Irish Marsh. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna make more of my Irish Marsh, guys. Mine finished, and I'm gonna add about, you can add about half cup to a cup, just enough to fill the blender. That's good. And that's it, guys. Just blend away. Easy peasy, right? And super healthy. And that's it, guys. Look at that. Super healthy. We're gonna keep it simple today. And there you go. We're gonna pour some in. Super healthy, super delicious. I really don't like the seed, you know. So most time I will use the blueberries and the strawberries. Okay. So there it is. All right. And this is super healthy, packed with antioxidants from the Irish Marsh, lots of vitamins from the berries, good for you, good for your cholesterol, good for blood pressure. And the berries, guys, help to control your blood sugar level. All right, so that's it, super healthy. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Keep it simple today. And that's my Irish Marsh berry smoothie, super healthy. Okay, guys, good for the weight loss, gonna clean and build your immune system. You have a good day.